Raya loves eating those biter biscuit cookie things. You are a mess, girl. Tell us how much you love them. See if we can zoom in on the mess. Look at that. Ew. And she feels the need to rub it all over her tray. It's like she knows it grosses me out. Oh. Raya, we don't share cookies. No. Gunner, you don't need that.
Gunner,
Raya, we don't share. Raya, no, you eat it yourself. Before you condemn me for letting my child eat a cookie that the dog licked, you should know that she's been horribly grouchy all day today, and we're just finally happy that she is not crying. Yeah, that's delicious. Hope Gunner didn't eat dog poop right before he licked that. Here, let's drink something out of our sippy. You love that too. Do you want to drink some water out of our sippy? Are you watching your daddy? You don't like that daddy. You don't like that daddy. Gunny, no. Okay, say bye-bye.